Spicetify does not work with the Snap application. Check if you have Snap version of Spotify installed on your Ubuntu system with this command. If you don't see any output, you are good. Else, remove the Snap version of Spotify with this command. After that, install the Deb version of Spotify on Ubuntu. Ensure that you have curl installed. And then get the repository key and add it to your system. Next, add the Spotify repository details. This way, you'll be getting the Spotify package as well as future updates on it along with regular system updates. And now, install Spotify. Since Spicetify adds extensions and themes, it needs to access the directories where Spotify files are stored. Do that by running these two commands one by one. Next, run the Spotify app and make sure that you are logged in. Again, ensure that you have Spotify app running and you are logged into it. Now, all you have to do is fetch the official installation script and run it. It starts downloading the file and running it. At one point, it will ask if you want to install Spicetify Marketplace. Press Enter to confirm it. At the end of the entire thing, you'll see an error message that you haven't backed up. Run Spicetify Backup Apply. That's okay. We will handle it in the next step. Once you have restarted the terminal, run the following command. After this, Spotify will restart automatically. You can now see the Marketplace option on the Spotify interface. Click on it and you shall see the option to install extensions, themes, snippets, etc. When you click the install button, it is installed immediately and you'll be asked to reload Spotify. Congratulations! You can start enjoying Spicetify and customize your Spotify experience now. It is not impossible to mess things up. The good thing is that you can restore the default Spotify looks with this command. If you want to reuse Spicetify, apply it again with this command. It is a good idea to keep Spicetify updated, especially when you are updating Spotify. You can do this with these commands. To uninstall Spicetify, you should first restore the default looks. And then remove the Spicetify files.